Alright, here's number 2 video. This is what I'm using. It's a ratchet with a 3-inch extension, 3-inch extension. Then I have a swivel wrapped with tape. That way I can hold it straight. I'm having trouble with it. I try to impact drill and it didn't do nothing. So, and it sounded like it was going to burn my drill up. As a matter of fact, it was a Ryobi. I don't know if that's any difference. The video I had saw somebody else doing this. They said all you need is a 3-inch extension, 3/8 drive, 13 millimeter, and that's it pretty much, they said. However, that did not work for me. I couldn't get it to that, so I couldn't get to it like that. So I've released the 4x4 off of it because it seemed like it wasn't working. Maybe I got to try it again or jack the whole transmission up. I'll let you know as I go. I'm gonna try this with a breaker bar and see if I can't get it. Man, this thing is stuck. I should have got some penetrating oil, honestly, and I probably could have got it off. But let's go on, and I'll catch up with you on the 3rd video.